Hello, you guys. So we are back with another video, and I'm so excited about this video because it's for the entrepreneurs out there, okay, who work for themselves, who do not work a regular 9 to 5, and are always questioning, will they be able to purchase a home? So let's get into this video. Okay, so are you self-employed? Are you an Uber driver? Are you DoorDash? Are you self-employed? You working your own hustle and wondering, will I ever be able to own a home? Hmm. And let me tell you, the answer is yes. Yes, you can. Again, welcome to my channel. My name is Joelle, all right? And I am your accountability partner, your mentor partner, okay? I am here to simplify things for you when it comes to real estate and to give you the confidence to let you know that you can be part of real estate. You can own a piece of real estate, okay? So now let's get into this video for my hustlers, all right, that question if they can ever own a property. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about what lenders are going to, you know, require from you, what documents you will need, okay, and how that will help you get approved even without a traditional 9 to 5 job. Okay, so can you buy a home without not having a W-2? Yes, you can, okay? Not working a regular 9 to 5 does not disqualify you from owning a home. You just have to show stable income, verifiable income, okay? Consistency in your income. Because the banks want to see consistency, okay? They want to see consistency in your job, the consistency in what you make. They want to see consistency, not just a job title. Consistency, consistency. Okay, what do lenders want from self-employed buyers? They are going to ask for 2 years, okay, of self-employment of your tax returns. 2 years of tax returns, all right, of you being self-employed. So lenders are going to want 2 years of tax returns of you being self-employed. 2 years of tax returns, filed tax returns, of you being self-employed. Second, they're going to want proof of income, consistency. 2 years of proof of income, consistency, whether it's Uber statements, 1099s, and of course your business bank statements, okay? They will ask for your profit and loss statements. And of course, you will need a strong credit score, okay? I would say 600 and up. 600 and up credit score. If you plan on buying a home anytime soon, it's very important to keep your business expenses low. Okay, especially in those bank statements, keep your business expenses low. Because too many write-offs just show that it just shows low income. You don't have enough money if you're writing a lot of things off. So it's just very important you keep business expenses low. Okay, a question that is always asked is if you don't have 2 years of self-employment yet, okay, what are they going to ask for? It's important that you at least have a year, 12 months, okay, of the same job, at least 12 years, 12 years, Lord, 12 months, okay, 12 months, okay, you have to show proof 12 months of working that job with consistency. They will probably ask you, okay, if you've only had 12 months of this working for yourself, what were you doing prior to that? And most likely they will want the prior work to be relatable. So it has to be relatable. So if you've only had 12 months of self-employment, what did you do before that? And it has to be similar to your self-employment job. It can't be, okay, I am an Uber driver now for 12 months, but my prior job that I did was cashier. It would have to be similar job. Maybe you're an Uber driver, but you before that used to ride the bus. It's still driving. It requires driving. It has to be similar. Hopefully that helps. Let's continue. You will probably have to consider, depending on how the preparation is going, a co-signer, okay? If you are married, or if not, consider having a co-signer for a joint application. Somebody that has a W-2, okay? Somebody that has a W-2 job and that's not self-employed. You might want to explore, if you go with banks with higher rates, they will most likely be more flexible, okay? We don't want higher rates, but they will be more flexible. It may not be possible. We don't know, okay? This is why a lot of preparation has to go into this, okay? FHA loans may sometimes not be in favor of self-employed workers. That is sometimes, okay? But nowadays, with everything just being so iffy and shaky, that is why my previous note is banks with higher interest rates. We don't want that, but they would probably be more lenient, more flexible. But remember, that is why having a good lender that is really knowledgeable of what's going on is important. I would say don't look for one lender. Talk to a lot of lenders and see what works for your situation, where you feel comfortable. That's going to give you the most help. That is also more knowledge. There's more lenders that are actually more knowledgeable than others. They do their research. They know where to find money for you, okay? You will have to put money down, but they will find ways to help you get into a home as a non-traditional worker, okay? As a self-employed buyer, they will help you. Save, 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 save. Save as much as you can. Save as much as you can. Save as much as you can. Spend less. Spend less. Do not go into your business bank accounts. Do not go into your business bank accounts. Spend less. Save, save, save. And please do not open any new credit card within the year, or if you can go 2 years, do not open no new credit card, okay? I think it doesn't hurt to look into a CPA, okay? Look into accountant, somebody that can get your paperwork ready so you can purchase your home. Maybe reach out to a lender to start helping you get you on the right track on how to prepare your documents, what to bring in, start creating a folder, start working on your credit score. All those things are good things to work on, okay? To work on, and it doesn't hurt to get the help to prepare your file. The better your presentation is, the smoother everything goes. So get help. So what to expect as a self-employed buying your first home? It is going to be a lot of work, okay? Patience is key, okay? Patience is what will get you the key in hand. So patience is key, all right? Yes, there will be a lot of paperwork, a lot of paperwork, but it's doable, okay? Lots of paperwork, but doable. The lenders want to lend, so you just have to prove to them that you are someone they can lend to. So that's where all the paperwork comes in. It's like you're selling a story. I have everything you need. As long as they can tell the story, everything, all that paperwork makes sense, you are good to go. So you guys, I hope this video was helpful and just letting you know that it does not matter if you don't have a regular W-2 job, okay, and you are self-employed, you are able to own a house. So I hope this really simplified it. It was just really simple, okay? Pretty much letting you know, this video is just letting anybody know that is self-employed that you can also own a house. You do not need to have a W-2 job to own property. So just because you hustle outside a 9 to 5 doesn't mean you can't own a home. You just need the right team, a good in hand, okay? And you will have your keys in your hand. So you guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for coming along. Please like, share, subscribe. If you haven't done already, join the Joelle Your Agent family, okay? And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.